Okay, good day. My name is Nnamdi, and this is your CorelDraw tutorial designing. Okay, but we are still on the logo. So I was coming out this morning. I kind of saw a small bird, trying to grow up his wing and flew away from me. So I decided, okay, if I come today, let me try and give you a quick a tutorial, quick knowledge. And if you don't want to design, if you want to design a kind of a logo, a bird logo or animal logo, any kind of logo at all, so how you can be able to achieve it. So I don't have any logo in front of me this time around, but we have to just try and figure it out from our own knowledge, so you don't have to like trace people's a logo or try and design something. So you can just sit down on your own and try and figure out how you can be able to. I guess you just have to like get started immediately. So how does our bed looks like? The bed, what kind of bed am I supposed to design? I can design to design any kind of bird, but let me just get started. Okay, so I pick my brazier tools because I love using my brazier tools. So we kind of the head is gonna be okay somewhere here, then the body, then maybe the you have the feathers, then okay the tail. So let's just get started. So I create a midpoint here, so maybe one here and one here. Alright, so maybe I have to have another one somewhere here, then maybe another one here, then close it up. Alright, so I can start shaping. So let me just shape it to the way I think or will go okay for me, and I drag down. Remember, I'm trying to design a bird, and can shape this a little bit. Okay, let me put this close to somewhere here. Okay, let me just drag it up here, shape it inside a little bit, then drag it down. Alright, so this is the head. Click on it and drag it up and drag it up to look something like that. Simple body. You can drag it to any position I want. I have to take this down, maybe take it up a little bit. Bands. Alright, so I can decide to add another thing. Now so it looks good. Okay, let me just zoom here, go to my zoom to zoom the head, pick up my brazier tools again, click here, click somewhere here again, then click here, then go back again. I can decide to change my color so that I'll actually have getting the concepts that I want to design. Then click here again, then maybe change it to black. Alright, so I can go to my arrange. Please computer send it to the back for me. If it's to the back, okay. I can go back again, zoom to the mount. I can decide to reduce it. Click plus on my keyboard to multiply. Go to my shape 2 because I have this particular type of object is 2 here, so I can decide to shift the other one down a little bit, so it looks like that. Alright, I can decide to apply just the line color in one of them, line color, line, yeah, so it looks like something like that. Or just apply white, so that because the body is white, so that the white will rhyme, so it looks like, see, so it's different. Alright, it's okay. So what's the next thing? Try and get any of the maybe the eye or something, or try and design the body, or I'll figure it out. Okay, let's just start from the feather. So click on my brazier tools again, click somewhere, let me say somewhere here, then here, then come back here again, then go to my shape 2, click one of this, lines, then shape it. It looks like that. Then drop it up a little bit, then shape this, click on this, shape 2, then just drag this one a little bit down. We use one of the arrows and just take it down a little bit, then drag this to come out because this should looks like a fade down. Alright, so maybe like something like that. Alright, so I can decide to change the color to any kind of color I want. Oh, which kind of color am I supposed to use? Okay, let me use something like this. You know, it's a design. So go back again. You can decide to pick this will be here to there. So it doesn't mind where exactly this one is because definitely I have to send it to the back again. So go, maybe this time around I have to make this to be a little bit darker. You know why I'm making it to be darker? Because this is the other type of fader. It's not just I'm seeing it from behind, but this one I'm seeing it from the front, so I have to like send it to the back. So it looks something like that. You can decide to go back to your shape. You can decide to shift it a little bit here, yeah, which looks fine. Alright, so what's the next thing we're supposed to get? You can try and design the tail. Go back here somewhere, let's say somewhere here, so that it should be right inside. Yeah, then here, then here. Alright, shape 2, click here, come back, then draw it a little bit, then bring this one down a little bit. Then I can leave these other places. I can decide to, maybe if I want, shape it a little bit. Depends on the part I want to shape. Maybe bring this one up, then take this one down a little bit down. So it looks different. Okay. So I can decide to add extra other features in it. Oh, first, let me change this one to any color I want. This kind of color. I think I like black. You change to pure black. Not really good. Let's see. Not all that black. This is okay. So you can decide to change some other things. Maybe she'll add some extra features so it looks good. All we're gonna try and do is try to make our bed look so good, so people got to understand that our bed looks so good and take it up. Please, I don't have to explain everything I do here because I've explained all this thing in previous tutorials, the other tutorials, the other one, then. So let this object again go to your arrange and ask the computer please set it to the back. Okay, bring it to the front again. Bring it to the front again. Let's see. Forward one again. Just keep on forward. Then here is okay. So you can decide to group this place because I don't want this particular object. I want it to be inside. Where is the midpoint? I'm not actually saying that. I'm saying the midpoint now. So click on it and drag it inside to be with the line. Click on this one, make it on the screen. Yeah, something like that. Then go back to my zoom. Click this. So you have it. Alright, you can decide to maybe still add extra other things, trying to make it look nice. You can curve the head. You can, let's try and make the head look so, make something not really that, make something really nice, because we are all just trying to be professional. So if you want to be professional, you gotta get to it. So design it again. So click on this, click on my shape, click on my shape too, then start shaping again. Then I have something like that. Then make sure this is, yeah, so you can change the head to black. see, you can make it lighter. So it depends. It looks good. Alright, so we'll continue. So what's the next thing you're supposed to do? You can decide to add your eyeball. Use anything for your eyeball. Decide to add a little bit of eyeball, kind of eyeball. Maybe something that looks like that. Maybe you can still go to your fountain fill. Maybe I want my eyeball to be from, let's say, from white or black. And midpoint looks so small because this is a bird. Then you can change it maybe to the front a little bit, then apply, and fill the line. Well, wow. And you can decide to fine tune it a little bit and apply other stuff, but this is just a simple logo which looks so beautiful and lovely, and this is it. So you can decide to add maybe tails. You need any form of tail at all that you want to add, you can decide to add in those, make it look so different, and but for now you just have to leave it like this. So you just have to apply your knowledge, your brain, to depends on the kind of design that you want to design. CorelDraw is all about learning. I love designing. I love anything about artwork. So thank you, and watch my next video tutorial. So I want to make this one shorter so you can just grab some things again. So watch my next video tutorial. My next video tutorial is very, very important.